In this video, I will show you how to update Spotify on PC. So I will show you how to update Spotify to the latest version on your Windows PC, so you can make sure you're using the newest features, improvements, and bug fixes. Whether Spotify is showing an update notification, or you simply want to check if a newer version is available, this step-by-step guide will show you how to update Spotify on your computer quickly and easily. If this video helps you out today, don't forget to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more Spotify tutorials, PC tips, and easy tech tutorials. Now, there's two ways you can do this. The first way to do this is from your desktop. If you come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, in here type Store, and then open up the Microsoft Store underneath Best Match. Once the Microsoft Store has opened, come over to your library in the bottom left hand corner, give that a click, and this is going to show all your installed apps. Now from here, you want to find Spotify. You can use the search box up here and just type Spotify, and if there is an update available, to the right hand side of Spotify, it's going to say update. So you can click that and run through the steps to update your Spotify app player. Now, if that's not showing or it's not working for you, another way to do this is from your desktop. If you come down to your search box, this time you want to type settings and then open up your settings underneath Best Match. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left and click onto apps. And then what you want to do is click onto installed apps. From here, you can again use the search box at the top and type Spotify. And once it comes up, you want to come to the right, click onto the three dots and fully uninstall Spotify from your computer. Once Spotify is fully uninstalled, open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com and just Google search for Spotify download. Now what you want to do is click onto the top result, which is going to take you directly to the download page for Spotify. From here, you can either download from the Microsoft Store or click the link underneath if you want to download directly from Spotify. Now, effectively what that's going to do is download the latest version of Spotify, so you will have the most up-to-date version of Spotify on your computer. So that's how to update Spotify on PC. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Spotify and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.